Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Docs. So here I've already have a new blank page in Google Docs. So if you guys want to know how to make a Google Docs first, you can watch the previous video on my channel how to make a Google Docs. So here I'm going to show you how to use the basic on how you can use Google Docs. So basically it's just the same as Microsoft Word. So maybe you guys are used to use the Microsoft Word, and it's just basically the same. There are just like slightly differences in Google Docs. So if you want to type in, you can just type in your keyboard in here, and here at the file toolbar you can see there is an option where you can create a new file or open the existing file, or you can also make a copy, and you can also share it with your friends, or you can also publish it to the web. Since Google Docs is online, and you can just click on share with others and type in their email to share the file. And you can also download the file into Microsoft Word, into a PDF, and others file format. You can also rename the file directly from here, so you don't need to open it in your drive. You can just type in or rename the file here like this, and you can also see the version history, so your changes will be shown here, and you can also go back to certain version of your file. You can just click on this and the history will appear, and you can just click on the version that you want to restore. And if you want to add image, you can go to insert and find image. And if you want to add like drawing like arrow line or others, you can just go to drawing and then click on new. And after that, if you want to create a table, you can see there is a table, and you can just choose whatever dimension of the tables you want to add like this. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you the basic. You can also add a drop down in here, add a date, and you can also add a special characters like symbols or others. You can also add equation. And in Google Docs, you can also use the tools here. There are so many tools that you can use. There is translate. You can just translate your document in here instantly, and you can also do the voice typing where you can just lie down in your bed and you're just talking, and the Google Docs will type it for you. And there is also dictionary and word count, spelling and grammar to check your grammar. And yeah, I think that's the basic. Oh, if you want to print your document, you can just click on the print icon in here and connect it to your printer and just print the document. Okay, guys, so I think that's the basic on how to use Google Docs. Thank you guys so much for watching. But if you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. And if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.